position. Pendular, pendular. Inner, come back to walk. And so the moment that I went to the action here, even if I do in this much, right? Or even that much, or even that much, or even this much, we need to trust where we're standing up. If we let go our leg, we are not in a good place, right? Even you feel falling, until you don't fall with him, don't give up. She's not quitting. She's not quitting. Look, we have the connection, the feet. We have it. Okay. Okay. So that would be the game and the goal. Right? You're gonna cut a little feet around, right? Now you have a space. Time. So this momento, you see, it's kind of cutie, right? And this one, even if we want, we're looking for maybe a pops, right? That, right? Or we can have a, I don't know, that line in there, right? And this line in here, right? But you see, even if I need to go with the toes here, look at flexibility on the knee. That's gorgeous, right? She's not gonna go with the leg rigid to here, right? Because you're gonna go, whoa, right? Because that rotation is that momento, right? Because it's cute to have that rotation on the back, right? So those moments are very, very important, right? Do we know where, right? And when we do the shifting, right? To this leg, it doesn't, I mean, of course, if it really goes, we were there, okay? This is something else, but we're not looking for that right now. I know you feel the interruption of the leg, so let's see, we going around and the feet pass for the center again before they walk, right? You will not let it to the leg go all the way open there, right? And even if we provoke a gancho, right? You see her leg is gonna close here again to walk out, right? She will not get out, and this momentum, maybe the performance will be different from that moment all the way to there, right? Even if the gancho happen, she's gonna close here to walk organized, right? Because the movement is gonna come into be there, but it's gonna be again in place. So now, one of the details that happen by now is this. We arrive by connecting into here. So some of you, you're trying to turn. Entonces, by now, she's in a very weird position, right? Entonces, the movement is in line, is to you. Now, the phone call is going there. Entonces, I can rotate. And from there, I walk it out in line. All right? Guys, thank you very much.